Anytime you wish to save the results verse list in the search window after you've conducted a search, you can do the following. On the main menu in BibleWorks, click on File, then choose Save Verse List to File. There enter a brief description for the verse list. And click OK. Enter a file name for the verse list file. And hit Enter. At a later time, the verse list file can then be opened with the Verse List Manager. You can open the Verse List Manager from the Tools menu and Analyzing the Text, then choose Verse List Manager, then go to File and Open to find the verse list that you just saved. Double-click on it, and that will load your verse list into the Verse List Manager. The Verse List Manager can even be used to view the verses by clicking on them so that they appear in the Browse window.